Welcome to another episode of Ask the Professor brought to you by Trbo Test. This series is based on the GRE exam, and we're looking at questions students have presented from the GRE exam. I am Professor Konstantine Onapolous. I have 30 years teaching experience at university, the last 12 of which is the Dean of the School of Business. The first question we have is, one pen costs 25 cents and one marker costs 35 cents. At those prices, what is the total cost of 18 pens and 100 markers? This is a typical question on the GRE that you can answer in your head. You don't need to use a calculator. You shouldn't need to write this out. But for our purposes today, we will look at it. Now, note that there are no multiple choice questions to pick from. It is simply a blank box that you have to enter data in. So we ascertain the data that we have. Pens are 25 cents a piece. Markers are 35 cents a piece. The total cost of 18 pens and 100 markers is what we're looking for. To solve this very simple math, we multiply 25 cents times the 18 pens we need, which is $4.50. We multiply the 35 cents by the 100 markers, gives us $35. We add the two together, it gives us $39.50. So our answer is $39.50. The next question that's brought to us today is, a merchant made a profit of $5 on the sale of a sweater that cost the merchant $15. What is the profit expressed as a percent of the merchant's cost? Give the answer to the nearest whole percent. Now, this is a very straightforward and easy question. Again, something you could solve in your head. However, you want to be very careful in reading it to make sure you understand what they're actually saying and what they're asking you to do. So let's ascertain the data. The data is profit is $5. The sweater cost was $15. However, they want you to tell what the profit as a percent of the cost is. So that's very important. To solve that, we merely put the profit on top of the cost, multiply it by 100. It gives us 33.333%. Well, keep in mind, it says give the answer to the nearest whole percent. So we merely need to round this off. 33.333% to the nearest whole percent is 33%. Now, because they already have a percent sign here, we merely put in the 33. Thank you.